In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in PowerPoint. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First and foremost, you'll need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application. You can find this program through the Start menu on a Windows PC or through the Applications folder on a Mac, depending on your operating system. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to locate the presentation you want to work on. Simply navigate to your recent presentations list or open a file from your device if it's not already visible. Next, it's time to click on the presentation of your choice. If you're creating a new presentation, simply start by adding the slides or content you'll be working with. Otherwise, select the pre-existing presentation you'd like to update with hyperlinks. This means double-clicking on the file to load all your slides, bringing them up in the main PowerPoint working area. Now, you need to decide where you want to add your hyperlink. It could be a specific piece of text, an image, or another object within your slide. Highlight the text or click on the object to select it. This action is important because it tells PowerPoint exactly where you want your hyperlink to be placed. With your text or object selected, you'll want to move over to the Insert tab, which you can find in the menu ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. The Insert tab houses a variety of tools that allow you to add different elements to your slides, including pictures, charts, and of course links. After clicking on the Insert tab, look for the Links option within the toolbar. This is typically depicted with a chain link icon. Clicking here will open up a dialog box where you can input your hyperlink information. You might have options such as linking to a web page by entering the URL, creating a link to another slide within your presentation, or even linking directly to an email address. Once you've added your desired link information and configured any additional settings, simply click OK to finalize and apply the hyperlink to your selected text or object. And just like that, you've added a hyperlink to your presentation. Remember, these hyperlinks aren't just static. You and your audience can interact with them during a presentation, making your slides far more dynamic. So feel free to experiment with different types of links and practice embedding them into your presentations. With this newfound skill, enhancing your audience's experience is right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.